Yes, all rather cloudy and chilly feeling at the moment. We've got this flow of quite cold air coming from the continent. Weather fronts typically staying out to the west, although by the time we get to Friday, this one may start to bring a bit of patchy rain, but it is a weakening affair. Out there at the moment, quite a lot of cloud overhead, sinking lower, cloaking some of those hills, turning things a bit murky in places. A small amount of drizzle perhaps, but this cloud acting as a blanket, keeping us frost free as we start tomorrow morning, but it will still feel chilly, I think, to start the day. Now, as the day wears on, there is a bit of a better chance for tomorrow of seeing a few sunny spells coming through. I wouldn't like to make too many promises, but yes, you might see a little bit of brightness in places, a shower or two perhaps, but mostly dry. And temperatures a shade higher than today's values, but still tending to struggle 5 to 7 degrees. These are our times of high water for tomorrow. So we've got Ventnor at 10:45 and again at 11:14 as we push into the evening. And here's your outlook. So not the most exciting picture, is it? As I say, you might see some bright spells at times. Equally, we could see a small amount of rain, maybe Friday, perhaps into Saturday. That's more likely, I think, the further west you are. Generally speaking, there's a lot of dry weather in store. Often frost-free with those cloudy skies overhead, but you could see some at times. I think the greatest likelihood of that is on Thursday night. But all in all, a fairly cloudy, fairly dull and fairly chilly look. Take care. Yes, all rather cloudy and chilly at the moment. We've got a flow of air, chilly air coming up off the continent. Generally speaking, weather fronts are staying at bay, so mostly dry outlook, but you might see a little bit of rain or drizzle here and there. Let's look at the detail then, because yes, cloudy skies at the moment. That cloud tends to sink a bit lower, so it may well cloak some of the hills, turning things a touch murky. A small amount of drizzle perhaps in places for tonight, but that cloud acting as a blanket. So a frost-free look as we push into tomorrow morning, but still chilly feeling to begin the day with this layer of cloud overhead. Now actually for tomorrow, I think a bit of a better chance to see some sunny spells. It does look as if that cloud should break up a little bit, temporarily at least, and you may get to see a little bit of sunshine here and there. Temperatures that bit higher than today's value, 6 or 7 degrees, but these numbers still a bit on the low side for the time of year. Taking a look at our times of high water for tomorrow, we've got Dover at 11:10 and again at 11:24 as we push into the evening. Let's take a look then at the outlook. Well, quite cloudy. As I say, you might see a bit of brightness here and there. You might equally see a touch of drizzliness around or an isolated shower at times, but a lot of the next few days look dry. Some frost around. Thursday night, for example, looks most likely to see a frost, but all in all, cloudy, chilly and fairly quiet. Take care.